Safecare COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test Kit Swab for self-testing. This video will show you how to use our Safecare COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Preparation before testing. Prepare a flat area, ideally a table or desk. Make sure the surface is clear, clean, and dry. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with warm water and soap, or use a hand sanitizer. Afterwards, dry your hands using clean disposable paper towels. Specimen preparation. Put all the components on a flat and clean surface. Check the expiration date on the kit box. Open it if the expiration date has not been reached. Check all the components and bring the test and extraction buffer to room temperature before usage. Please carefully read the instructions before you starting the test. Carefully peel off the foil film of the tube. Place the tube into the hole of the box. For adults, remove the swab from the package. Make sure you only touch the sticky end of the swab, not the soft tip of the swab. Gently insert the soft tip of the nasal swab into the left nostril, about 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch. Firmly brush the swab against the inside of the nostril. Rotate the swab at least 5 times or more. Repeat the process in other nostril using the same swab. Make sure an adequate sample is collected. For children, before you start to test a child, please clean the table and timer button with a detergent or surface sanitizer. Afterwards, wash your hands thoroughly. Pick up a swab and remove the swab from the package. Gently insert the soft tip of the nasal swab into left nostril of the child. The maximum depth of insertion into the nostril shall be less than 2.5 centimeters and should be carefully and appropriately adjusted by the person who collects the sample. Firmly brush the swab against the inside of the nostril. Rotate the swab at least 5 times or more. Repeat the process in the other nostril using the same swab. Make sure an adequate sample is collected. Insert the swab into the tube until the soft tip is immersed in the liquid. Rotate the swab at least 8 to 10 times while pressing the swab tip at the bottom and the side of the tube to transfer the collected specimen from the swab to the liquid. Keep squeezing the tube while removing the swab from the tube. Dispose the swab. You can put it back into its package and dispose together. Cover the tube tightly with the cap and put the tube back into the hole of the box. Test the procedure. Open the seal pouch and take out the test cassette. Place the test cassette on the flat surface. Hold the tube vertically upside down over the sample well. Add 3-drop specimen into the sample well by gently squeezing both sides of the tube. Start the timer. Read the result within 10 to 15 minutes. Do not read the result after 20 minutes. Interpreting the results. Positive. If C control line and T test line are visible, the result is positive. This means that COVID-19 antigen was detected. You may currently have a COVID-19 infection. Please contact your doctor, general practitioner, or the local health department immediately. Comply with local guidelines for self-isolation. You will also have to do a PCR confirmatory test. Do not take any decision of medical relevance without first consulting your medical practitioner. Negative. If only the C control line is visible on result window, regardless how faint of the C line, the result can be interpreted as negative. An infection may also be present if the test is negative. If it is suspected, repeat the test after 1 to 2 days, as the coronavirus cannot be accurately detected in all phases of an infection. Invalid. If the seed control line fails to appear, the result is invalid. You should perform another test. Repeat the test. If the test results mainly invalid, contact a doctor or a COVID-19 test center. Proper disposal. After you have done the test, put all parts of the kit in a waste bag. Discard the waste bag in accordance with local regulations.